Okay, I think we're live. Everything seems to be working. Let me get the audio switched. Nope, it's already switched. Awesome. Lit. We're on a roll. I don't see a point in doing some tags because there's no point. So, besides that, we have a lot of progress. I have spent the last, I would say probably like 6 hours tops. I'm not sure how long it's been since the stream yesterday, but after the stream, I sat back and thought of how I wanted to do the build system. And I've already got the first version. And I was, of course, testing with the world save stuff, but I already have the first version done. Now, of course, everything needs polished. This isn't the finished product, so don't expect this to like be all grand. But here we've got like where you can set the world limit. I don't see a point in changing that for now. And then you've got all your blocks right here. Of course, these are all going to be changed. This is mostly just like a way to test how the systems will be. So we can, of course, put stuff down. If you hold H, you can actually see the help panel. So like some of the controls. We don't have an option setting implemented just yet because I need to work on how multiplayer will work. But you can place stuff, you can right click it to remove. And if we go to the scripted items inside the activity, we will take a door and we will use Q to rotate it. We will then place this convenient button right here. And as you see with this output, if you click the door, oh, you gotta click here and then click the door. It now has the door selected for the script. So if I accept that, I place a spawn point down and then I click play. I can now come over here and hit F and it will open the door. Now, of course, like I said, these assets are not going to stay because they're not unique. They're not mine. I want to make my own. That's the whole point of making my own game, is to make my own assets. So this is a good starting place within the short amount of time that we had, that we've already got to a playable state. But other than that, I mean, I think it's working pretty good. And then just hit R to return to the editor. So yeah. Now there are some bugs that I need to iron out with the loading menu. But we're going to hold off on that until a couple versions down the road. So a thing that I want to work on right now is this upload script I'm working on. Just a basic upload. Well, I wouldn't really call it basic, but I got an upload script here that I didn't. I maybe didn't get ChatGPT to make some for me. Yeah, but that's besides the point. Anyways, I am going to store the worlds using the Steam ID, because this is, of course, going to be put on Steam. But there's currently something that's up for debate within our very, very small development group, because I do actually have like 2 more people which are fairly new to it, just like me, but they're still like trying to get some things down. But we decided that we were going to add this versions check right here. So like the game version, because if we add something, well, not really add, but if we remove something, it's gonna break the world, we think. We think it's going to break the world, and it's either going to leave that material in the world and it would be unable to be removed, or it would prevent your world from loading and just be like bugged out. But we don't know. This is why this is why I implemented the version system. So if the load or the world is newer than the client you're playing, which don't know how you would be able to do that, but let's say you did, pirating, then you would not be able to join the world because it would be in a newer version. If the world is an older version, you might get a warning saying, hey, items might have been removed. You might want to check. But besides that, I'm still like trying to implement this. It hasn't been finished whatsoever. I haven't even got to test this yet. So the way I'm going to do it is the game is going to contact these metadata JSON files, which is what contains all the metadata. And this is what's going to be displayed. And there's not really much of like a message of what it's about or an image or anything because we're still implementing, we're still figuring things out. But this is a good starting point. So as long as we can get a way to upload the worlds and then download the worlds to load them into multiplayer, we'll be fine. And I think this might be ready. I think. So let me save this and upload it to my web server. And we'll find out. And before you ask, at the current moment, no. You can't swap download, or you can't swap worlds without the header file, because that's what actually stores the name for the file for obvious reasons. But you may be able to like rename something. It just totally depends. There you are. You're in my face. I don't like you in my face. I just realized. I need SSH into the server and run a command. And what was the command? It was for Composer, I think. I gotta find it. Yep. What? Are my servers still down? Oh, motherfucker. My servers have broken to death. I must go and fix them because I need them. One moment. Okay. I would be lying if I said I know what the problem was, but I don't. I think my network switch crapped out on me. It should be up in a minute. In the meantime, I can go ahead and get to the internals here. And let me think of how I want to do this. Blueprint. Published world. Okay, let me put that here. And let's make a button. Just a normal button. Actually, I lied. Let's not just do a button. We'll do a border first. I can't put it in what? No. What? 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 Okay. Okay, whatever. Let me think. So how do we want this laid out? Of course we want the text, which the text will of course be the name of the world. If I could spell. Having issues. I'm confused on what's going on with my server, right? I think the network stuff got messed up on it somehow. Wouldn't that be interesting? Also, I'm doing that wrong. I need a vertical. No, sorry, horizontal. No, it was a vertical. Vertical box. We will take the text and put that in there. I'm wondering when my thing will come back up. Let me check my devices and see if the IPs on them ended up changing. They in fact changed. Actually, no, they didn't. Yeah, no, they didn't. What's going on here? I feel like something's going on with my web server. But I physically can't check it, so I don't know. I might actually have to postpone the live until I fix this. Moving on. Let's add a button. Probably should have done it like this. How many things can I add to this button? Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Actually, that kind of does, though. Anchors. Yeah, the anchor's fine where it is. But the vertical box is not fine whatsoever. Grab it, damn it. We'll do 512 by 512. The button needs to be the whole thing, I believe. See, I try and go live on time. And in doing so, everything just decides to go to hell. That's about how it goes. I'll do an image. Image. Oh. Hmm. I'm gonna do a bad thing. It kind of does seem like a bad thing. Let me see what I got here for the panel. We'll go with the scale box. Nah. Size. Then I could take the text, put that in here. And then I could put a spacer. What? Since when? Kind of need to make a clickable image here. I can make a clickable image, can I? I'd have to look. Because if so, then I'll just like do a blank image. The hell are you doing? I need that. Damn it. Come here, damn it. Okay, so yeah, I can bind it to an action. So, do that, do that. I need to move that up. Ooh. Ooh, that's not good. That's really not good. Okay. Come on. I'll have to make it the same size. 512 by 512. I already know that this is not going to look right, but it'll be fine. Yeah, maybe. We'll find out when we start putting the stuff together. I guess I can make the image not as bright. Excuse me. There we are. Now I can see it. All right. So now I get the world name. Uh, we'll do spacer. Do another text. What I'll do on this one is like make it not that small. Jeez. Maybe 16. Yeah, 16. I'll have this set to version. Note that this refers to the actual game version, not anything else. And I don't think I can. Yeah, I can't. That's annoying. I gotta think if I want to do this. It mostly depends on how I can like place everything. But I guess since this is just a button, it's not gonna really matter. Cause like the button's gonna have padding, but it just depends. I could always give the VirtualBox padding, I think, if it really matters. Nope, damn it. I need that. I need that. Move that down. What? I didn't do anything. I did not do anything. Okay, well, apparently clicking page up is nothing. Yep. Seems right to me. And then probably like have the image for an icon. And now we just gotta make an array thing. And add it to it. Still not sure what's going on with the server rack. Oh, there it is. Oh, damn it. I typed in the wrong password. There we go. What in the heck? Okay. What? Hold up. PHP is being dumb. Truly retarded. Classic Linux. Haha, complain about it now, sucker. Go to hell. Anyways. Classic Linux. Okay. Now. Let me think. Let me think. I kinda need to think on that. So now I need to actually create the listing for it. Because that's just the button. That's just the button. Okay. We will do. What do we want to do? I'll first do a horizontal box. And then a vertical box. The anchor, I'm going to have the anchor stretched across the top for that. And then, of course, bring this down just a tad. And then the vertical box. We'll cover everything else up. There we go. So now we got the top one going from left to right, and then the bottom one going from up to down. Now, I'm going to do a wrap box. This wrap box, when you add something into it, what in the hell? It will basically fill everything up. So fill. And now if I go here, take this, drop it in, this is what it would look like. Drop another one in here just to be sure how it looks. Looks a little rough, so let's see if we could change that with some padding. That's 10 for each side. It's okay. Definitely looks better already. I kind of hate how the text is like butt up against the side. Let me do that. And let me change that. Best way to change it is by a space. A whole space. Because it is just so much easier to add a space. And it already looks so much better. Anyways. Let me see. Yeah, I think my web server crashed. Actually, I think something else is going on here. Let me see that. What the hell? Not sure what that is, but whatever. Everything seems to be running. Why is that? Hello, welcome to the stream. I am having issues with the web server. Again. Like, how do you manage to crash something like this? Like, so fucking easily. I need my snippet tool. Oh, that's why. Web server's being attacked. And no, it's actually not a DDoS. Surprisingly enough, it's not a DDoS. So I believe it's an exploit with Nginx, but I'm not 100% sure. But I know exactly who's doing it. So... the joy. So much joy. I thought there was a way to, like, see how much bandwidth is, like, going in and out. But for some reason, I just can't find that anywhere. Hmm. Definitely, definitely pain. So it turns out that yesterday it wasn't my router being crappy, Kaitu. Someone's actually taken the whole thing down. Like, someone's currently attacking it. Because I was, like, trying to be nice to the person and say, hey, I can offer you, like, a hosting provider for your Minecraft server. Because, you know, they kind of reached out to me out of the blue. And I thought, you know what, I'll be respectful and, like, give them a whole fucking month for free. This is what you get for being nice. I have a good feeling if I run that command, something bad's going to happen. Yeah. See, all I'm trying to do is like be respectful to everyone, do my own thing, and it's just kind of difficult to do. Damn it. Quit. APT does not have whatever. Okay, help me understand this. When I type something, it like tries and runs an npm command, like a Node.js command. And I don't know what it is. I think someone like tried to bug the server a while back, like with a virus or something like that. I don't know. But gotta love it. Also, I think it crashed. I have no clue what is even going on with this. Like, it's like the whole fucking thing is just fucked. Okay, you told me to add it, like, how am I supposed to use this? Also, I need to join a VC. Join a VC. Hello.
So wait, what's going on exactly? What are you trying to do?
I assume someone just didn't like the prices on Rush hosting and took it down for no reason. And
Okay.
I'm like trying to figure out what's going on because the web servers are up, the servers are running. It's not the network switch, but I cannot connect through Rush hosting, which is
To the
weird.
pad.
And it's weird, and I don't understand what's going on.
Yeah, okay, I see that now. What?
See, I thought it was just my router acting up yesterday.
Yeah,
Because I'm like, you know
I
what?
can see.
It'll fix itself. It'll be fine. Like, I
Yeah.
can't even access the Forever Play domain.
That?
Like, the fact that I
Hmm.
can't access the Forever Play domain tells me that the web server itself got fucked up. And this is the whole reason why I have multiple servers. See,
Yeah.
the hosting provider's on a completely different server for this reason. And so many people were like so confused on why I did that. This is why. This is
Yeah,
exactly
no, I
why.
can see why now. Uh,
It's like just always
you know,
something with this.
I'm thinking. I'm just trying to think, like, what would make more sense. And are you sure it's an attack, or is it, like, just...
If it wasn't an attack, then everything would be working smoothly.
Fair enough.
Like the server's been running for almost 2 solid years straight with no issues, and all of a
True,
sudden,
true.
like
Now it's got
someone,
an
yeah,
issue.
like all of a sudden
Okay.
someone asked for like a hosting provider. I sent them the link to it, and now like nothing's working.
I
Like I mean,
wonder if
come
that
on,
was what... Okay.
it's just
Yeah, no.
it makes no sense.
Um, and do the servers themselves work? Do you know?
Yeah, yeah, I'm actually like connected into them through SSH.
Okay. And you can... No, I'm like saying like Minecraft servers, like can you connect to the servers, for
I don't
instance,
have a clue.
Synology or... Okay.
I'll be honest, I have no clue.
I don't have either of the servers to check, so I don't.
And they're
I don't.
connecting to the internet just fine.
Yeah.
Whoa, hold up. Hold up.
You take that back. You take
I
that
take
back.
that back. What in the hell? I think I see what they did now.
What?
I think they changed the I think someone gained remote access to my servers and changed the DNS servers. Because look at this. I'm pinging Google and look what
What
it's
the
pinging.
fuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta fix that.
One sec. Let me ping Google on my other thing here.
Check.
Yeah, like, it should not be returning a domain like that.
What the fuck?
Net plan, I think. Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, it shouldn't be doing that. What the?
Okay, let's see. That's weird. Interesting. But they
Did
never
it?
they never messed with the name servers. Did they mess with the host file then?
Probably.
How do I get to the host file on Linux?
Uh, Google.
Hosts.
It is
Found it.
etc host.
What in the
Yes.
hell did they do?
They probably.
Look at this shit.
Is that what that is?
That's what it is.
So they changed it.
They did.
So that's all them?
I'm assuming they have
Yeah, you might as
something
well.
else somewhere.
Hmm. So if we delete that, it'll
Well,
just
see, I
change it
don't
back.
know.
You gotta check though. Hopefully nothing's corrupt
I
by
mean, it
now.
wouldn't really matter because it's the web server. I mean, all that's easily remakeable. So,
Hmm. Okay. Hmm.
but let me look up the default host file and just like compare it.
But I got my shit off. Okay.
Okay, so all routes, all notes, MCAS prefix,
Oh no, it looks the same.
and local net. Those are the only ones. Hold up. What just happened?
This is
Damn
not
it.
saying.
Hold up.
I take it.
Ah!
Eh.
Sorry, I'm a Windows user. Okay. What the fuck? I mean, it's still pinging, but
Hmm. Do you have a file access?
no, that's all been disabled. And that's the weird thing.
Oh.
Like remote connections have been disabled for like almost 4 or 5 years.
Yeah, so how did they get in?
Exactly.
Maybe they paid,
Unless they
well,
went through my computer when that got breached a while back.
oh. Uh, you think that would be a case?
I mean, could be.
Hmm. How would that affect now, though? How long ago was this?
God knows how fucking long that was.
So how would this person know? Like, just I don't know. Doesn't make sense why they would wait that long.
I don't get it though. Like, what in the world? What did you do? Like, really fucked something up. Okay, so the
Yeah.
MCAS prefix is supposed to be there. What the fuck did they change? Because this is not Google. This is not Google. They like had to change something that involves the network shit.
Hmm.
Classic Linux. Unless they did it through like the host stuff. But I really don't see someone doing something like that.
You never know.
This is like bizarre. I've never seen this before. Options. Hmm.
Yeah.
Confusion.
Confusion.
Dev. Okay. I guarantee you there's like malware on the server. Like, I guarantee there is. And it has to be something with Node.js.
Mm.
There's so many files. So many files. Oh man, my coffee's cold.
Make it not cold
I just
or
drank
drink it.
it. Maybe cold, but it's still pretty good. Ugh. Well, this went from development to looking for a virus.
Destruction here. Looking for virus.
I was kind of hoping I could hold off the OS install another few years. You have no clue how annoying it is to repartition the Linux drive.
Mhm. It
Because
sounds
it's so
like
stupid how
from the
Linux does
terminal,
it.
it definitely sounds painful.
It is. So the way Linux works with the partitions that I learned when I was using Arch Linux is it doesn't actually use the whole disk. It doesn't use all the partitions like it's supposed to. And I don't know why, but you have to explicitly go into the drive and tell it to. And I think it's stupid. Like that was one of the whole issues with running Arch is because
Mm.
like I was trying to use all my storage because I had like 120 gigs. Well, it was only using 50 gigs, which made no sense. Try making sense of your server running out of storage on the exact same day you install 8 fucking terabytes of storage on it. That threw me for a loop. I'll be honest, I have no clue how long this is gonna take. Oh, I'm sorry. Did y'all say you wanted a server room tour?
Server room tour.
Holy
uh,
shit.
uh. Oh no, 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 no. My
Well,
brain is frying.
yeah, that reminds me. The save file stuff. Yeah. So that header.save, that is what tells the game what save files is what.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah, you said that in what's it called? But
Yeah, I don't know if you can still load a save by just having it named the same thing. I would assume, but I don't 100% know.
assumptions are evil.
I'm hoping I can just load the save forcefully when it comes to the multiplayer. Because if not, I'm gonna break the save system. My server hasn't worked so hard before in its life. It's miserable, poor
Miserable
life.
life.
It's just begging for a reinstall.
Yes.
And the fact that it hasn't found anything yet is kind of making me even more worried.
Worrying. Sounds worrying.
It's getting worrying.
Hmm.
Yeah, like, I initially thought that maybe someone had another server on the hosting provider crashing everything.
Mm-hmm.
So I went to the Forever Play domain, and yeah, the whole thing's just offline. But hey, just think about it. Whenever I decide to add software for website hosting, I don't have to worry about a reinstall now. Because it's gonna happen sooner.
um.
I'm worried the kernel has been exploited. No matter how many times I uninstall Node.js, it somehow manages to find its way back onto the systems.
Um.
What?
I forgot what I was gonna say. Never mind. Sorry. How much do?
I'm waiting for Xfinity to like send me a message saying, "Hey, there's some suspicious activity on your server rack."
Yeah. Wouldn't be surprising.
Well,
Oh,
typically Xfinity's pretty good at telling me when there's like a virus on the network.
have they done it before?
Yeah. Oh yeah, they
Oh,
have.
that's good. But this is kind of on the sneak, no?
Well, regardless, it's still
Um.
connected to the router,
Mm-hmm.
which the router is set up in sort of like a bridge mode. So regardless, it would still be able to detect it.
It should just tell you then.
Yeah, but it's like
Yeah.
it hasn't said
It,
anything. So
yeah.
it's either between a random application just rewriting my traffic, or it's like a host file redirecting. Kind of can't figure out which one's which though.
I just fucked up.
Gotta love it. Just got to.
Yes. Yes, everything is breaking things.
Excuse me.
Yes, bless you, by the way.
E.
E. E.
I hope it finds something because I don't
Yeah,
know what else
hope
it
so.
could be.
Well, that's pain. Guess no game development for now.
God damn it. I was making
I
such good progress too until this shit happened.
until you found out about this shit, you mean?
Well, I was told yesterday, I thought, you know what, it's probably just my internet because my router reset at the time. And I thought, okay,
Hmm.
whatever. It just reset. It'll be back up in a few. I went to bed, completely forgot about it, and went to check it just now, and yeah, it's still down.
It's fucked, yeah. Fair enough.
It doesn't help that my IP changed, so that too.
Oh. Everything.
Usually my IP doesn't change unless I actually
Well,
forcibly make it change by changing the MAC
I,
address, but
mm,
oh no, I
so,
changed the MAC
I'm proud.
address.
What have I done? What happened? What
What'd you do?
happened? Panic. Panic, I'm somewhere. I don't know where I am.
Where are we
I'm
panicking?
lagging.
What are we panicking about? Holy shit. What is this hackery shit here, my dude?
Panic.
Quantum computer at its finest.
Quantum computer at its finest. What'd you find? Wait, I'm not looking. I wasn't looking. Oh, yes. Love it. Lovely.
When you're
We
brute
love
forcing the government.
you brute forcing the
I better
government.
not say that. I don't need government officials coming up at my doorstep.
Yeah, no. Definitely not at
Because they're
safe.
pretty fucking stupid, let's be honest.
Yes. Wait, no, my fucking everything just anger,
Maybe if you're playing my sandbox game, it wouldn't happen.
sobbing. Man, hold on. This guy,
This dude.
this dude.
Look at this dude. Hmm.
Anger.
I
The
should have
anger.
just set up a NAS.
Yeah.
Because it would have made things so much easier. I could just like kill the whole fucking BPS and say, oh, there's a virus, and not anymore. Just spin up a fucking virtual server.
Smarts.
I'm
Oh,
just.
you're doing a virus scan or something?
Yeah, I'm doing a virus scan.
Yes. Lovely.
Hmm.
Now, while that's working, back to gaming.
Yes. I gotta figure out how the fuck I'm going to do this. The wrap box is what I'm going to use to like put the world buttons there. So like you could just click the
Yeah.
world buttons and it just load you into the game. But I'm like trying to think of how to do it.
Oh, you got
It,
time. Figure it out.
it makes it more difficult when I can't access the fucking API I just coded. Like I don't even know if the fucking thing works right now. Pain. So much pain.
What is this? Oh no.
I still gotta get some
Um,
graphic designers for the game as well. For the UIs.
mm, yes. Ah, it's fine. Just draw. You got this.
Bro, I can't even draw a straight fucking line. You want me to draw? You're
Yes.
out of your mind.
I'm out of my mind. You're out of your mind.
Well, I mean, I'd say because I still haven't went to bed yet, so
Good answer.
I've basically been working on this for 2 solid days straight.
You haven't slept yet?
No.
Oh my god, you are sleep deprived. Got it.
I'm sleep deprived, looking at reinstalling a whole server, so I gotta pull off the website and databases, because databases, yeah. I
Head
thought it would
hurting.
be a good idea to put the database stuff on the web server. Yeah, I'm regretting that. There's so many databases I gotta pull.
Yummy. Um, yes. Oh, did we lose you?
No, I'm
No,
still
no,
here.
never mind. Never mind. You're good. Panic over. Panic.
I'm just thinking of how I want to do this freaking button.
Buttons. Buttons are nice. Um,
Can I take
yeah.
a JSON to an array list? Oh, sweet mother of God, I can? I can add that. That's not the
Yes.
right ad. Hold up. I
Add
gotta
more.
figure out what. Uh, so I get this. Okay, so I get the wrap box, and then I can put the stuff in through the array. Okay, that might work.
This guy is trying to copy and paste a fucking ship in.
What?
That's what's happening. I'm playing a Minecraft server and this guy It's like lagging out the
Minecraft.
Minecraft. Yes,
Minecraft.
yes, this guy is trying to fucking copy and paste a fucking whole ass ship. And
But
it's
of
way too big
course,
and
why
it's lagging
not?
out the server. Yeah, because it's lagging out the server because
That's
he's
the
trying
whole
to do a
point.
world. Yes. Yes, tasty. The owner should do that. Yeah, uh-huh. Yes, the owner lags out their own server. Amazing.
I mean, I did it on many servers, but
Good answer. Good enough. But you're different.
yeah, I'm just built different.
Yeah, you
You
built
hear that,
different,
chat?
Wild.
I'm built different.
You built different. Mr. Wiggles is built different. Yeah.
Holy fuck.
uh,
Is not in that. Okay, I don't think I actually added the plugin for this. That
pain.
might be why. Uh, networking, maybe. Bro, where did it go?
Yes.
It's also still scanning.
Scanning.
I have no clue how it's going to take, how long it's going to take. I think it's like only a terabyte though, so shouldn't take too long? Question mark. Keep an eye out for it, chat. You'll know when you see it. It's already installed. Well, where the hell is it? God damn it!
This guy. That guy. This guy. That guy. This guy.
It says it's already installed. Well, I don't fucking see it.
Hold on.
Like, I physically do not see it in the plugins list. Like, anywhere.
This.
And it said I added it
I. I
to the
think
launcher.
I gotta go figure out what the hell's going on with this guy.
Which one?
That guy.
Confusion?
Yes. Be confused. I will return. Okay. I'll try. No.
Okay.
Yes, I shall return in a few minutes if I can. But
Okay. Why did I just open a browser? What the
best of
fuck?
luck to the virus scanning, by the way.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Where is it? Bro, what the fuck? Like, I have it installed and I just can't use it. Chat, am I blind? Is this not really installed? Does this not say that I can't install it because it's already physically installed? Why are you like this? Let me just close this. I'll save. And then I'll relaunch it. I don't know what else to do besides relaunching it. This one. Still scanning. I'm still pretty sure I have to reinstall the OS. OOS. Haha. Give me that. Okay. Where are you? Yeah, I don't need that. I'm not making anything related to Android. Don't know why all of a sudden all of this started enabling. We'll leave that alone for now. Not doing Apple. Cause fuck 'em. I really just mostly want that other plugin for HTTP. Ha. I got you. Now I restart you. Uh, I don't need that either. If it's experimental, it's not needed. And I prefer not to package my game with unneeded assets. No point. There's no point in it. Okay. Let's get back to this. Make HTTP request. Gonna move it over there along with this. It's going to be a post method. Is it up yet? I doubt it is. It's still not. Okay. I need to go back up here. I think I just need to include the direct link to the file, I believe. I lied. I so lied. Why am I making a request like that? I don't need that. Okay. I need an auth header, though, is what I need. Because of, where did it go? This right here. So, print the variable. pile. I'll add this. And then the header will be authorization. Let's see. And it should, in theory, be all we really need. Okay. Excuse me. I think if I do a parameter. No, I'm still doing it wrong. Holy fuck. I'm still trying to upload something when it's not the upload feature. Jesus Christ. Okay. It should technically just be called API, but whatever. I just realized. Why am I doing it like this? There's a way better method for this than what I'm doing right now. And that is like VA REST. And using VA REST, I can just have the API just return everything into a JSON file or a JSON string automatically. And that's going to save so much time. And if I was to do that, then I could just use VA REST to just contact the API, get a list of all the manifest files, which I mean, the API would do that automatically. And after that, just display them. I don't know why I'm doing this the hard way. I'm sleep deprived. That's what it is. I think I passed it. VA rest. Okay. Still scanning. Beautiful. Well, I think I'm gonna let this scan go for a while and then also take a nap in the process, because if you can't tell, I'm dying. Not really, but I just need sleep. So, with all that said, thank you all for tuning in to this live stream. I'm gonna hopefully get more done later. So, thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you all on the next live stream.